All right, everybody, we're out here at Lake Donegal with the Yuneec Mantis. I haven't flown this in a while, right? Okay, so we're gonna just take it out here for a little spin. It's pretty calm out today. There's a couple people out there. We'll check it out. Yes, the Yuneec Mantis has a very nice holder for the. It's a little cloudy, so we'll leave it on cloudy. For the phone. So we'll start up some video here. Let me check the map, make sure I got my return to home point set there. We do. All right, let's start some video. Let's take off. We got 15 satellites. I got a lot of satellites, but I see my transmitter signal is not that good now, so I'm going to turn it around. So I made it almost 1,000 feet. And it's starting to break up. And we don't like that. Yeah, it's definitely breaking up. Okay, so now we know what the deal is with this thing. Because this is the furthest I ever flew this thing. I was wondering what the range was. I mean, I don't know what they said in the ads. I'm sure they said, miles or something like that. But, okay, so the signal's back now. You see it up there on the top next to where it says 21 satellites. You see I got a lot more signal now. All right, guys, I had a little phone call. So anyway, so you see that even the transmitter signal right now is not that hot. It's only on the 3 bars, and I'm sitting here right next to the quadcopter. Okay, so let me take it over this way a little bit. You know, you just hate the way that thing tilts like that whenever it goes, you know, whenever you push forward on the stick, you know, the way it tilts like that. I don't like that. You know, there's no real gimbal on there. It's mounted on those rubber doodads there, so. All right, there you go. Yuneec Mantis. I might just sell this thing because I'm not really getting any use out of it, so. I'm just not happy with the camera performance with this thing. Supposedly the G's a lot better, but I'm not buying that. Hell with it. Let me cut the video.
Start
we're going to land her up, and that'd be it. All right, guys, there you go. Mantis Q. All right, have a nice day.